I know. I hope.
Yeah. You think this is the first album where you don't play one note on the bass?
Yeah.
Money, bitches, hoes, greed, pussy, Lord knows. 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 Snakes up in the grass, fake Gucci on her hip. The product of a warrior, the kids ran riots while the black kid rapped. And the story of a city and the hatred for the piggies fuels fire. And the bones was always prone to see the spliffy. Spliffy. Another young boy in the grave with his picture on my shirt. Rest in peace and may you lay up in the heavens sipping Henny, smiling at the city and your Sony cries daddy. We'll never get to see him be a king, but I promise I will bless him with the money that I win. He's even got that same fucking smile, laughs when I piss and fucking sing about hell. We once stole a truck and got arrested in the town to the sounds of the pigs. Get on the ground. 92 got him, so I'm getting him again. Black militant, back up on my 92 shit. Pants sagging niggeritis with a 92 bitch. Born in 93, 1993, 93, pre-millennium, a little bumblebee. See, I was a warrior on a mission, was running a fucking gun and then shooting my own decisions. Black, sell a fucking ounce of crack, mama said to give it back. Money over honeys, but the dream was to fucking rap. Walk around the city looking pretty, but we're city rats. The intuition, my tuition was the streets. Junkies sucking glass sticks, babies trying to eat. And then Janelle came along and sent a beat. Hip-hop fucking history. Sipping Guinness's fire flaming predicaments. Snatching a purse to feed a habit, drugs were prevalent. But the prevalence of heaven just a stain on its relevance. Mama said to get him swapped. Money, bitches, hoes, greed, pussy, Lord knows. Money, bitches, hoes, greed, pussy, Lord knows. Money, bitches, hoes, greed, pussy, Lord knows. Money, bitches, hoes, greed, pussy, Lord knows.
There are so many people coming. What the